essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. In this video, we're going to learn 如果就. 如果 means if, 就 means then. 如果就 if something happens, then something happens. So 如果 if is like a condition. Under such kind of condition, what will happen next? For example, if tomorrow rains, I then at home read books. I know you might argue this is not proper English because the order of the words are wrong, but however, Mr.Li deliberately make it like this, so I want you to understand these are the correct orders when you are translating the English into Chinese. I hope this will help you to understand the order of the Chinese words. 如果明天下雨 if tomorrow rains. 明天 tomorrow 下雨 rains. 我 I then 就在家 at home 看书 read books. 看 read books 书. Then what happens if it does not rain? If tomorrow does not rain, I then go to school to play basketball. 如果明天不下雨 不下雨 not rain 我就去 I then go 学校 school 打篮球 play basketball 打 play 篮球 basketball. Can we please try to use 如果就 if then when we are talking about environment? Here is another example. If we everyone all protect the environment protection then will be less and less. 如果我们 we 我们每一个人 everyone 都 all 保护环境 protect environment 环境污染 environment pollution 就会 then will 越来越少 less and less. It's a very useful term. Less and less 越来越少. You can simply use this sentence when you are talking about environmental protection, right? Let's look at another example. If Mr. Li has lots of money, he then buys a plane. 如果 if 如果 Mr. Li 有 have 有很多 a lot of lots of 很多钱 money 钱 money 他就 he then 买 buy 买一架飞机 one plane 架 is the measure word. It's the measure word used after a number and before a noun to tell you the specific quantity of the noun. 一架飞机 a plane. We will have other videos talking specifically about measure word. Well, I don't know how to fly a plane. I might need also to hire a pilot, right? Last but not least, 如果就 if then. If Mr. Li has 1,000 fans, he then records a video. 如果 Mr. Li 有1000个粉丝 1000 1,000 1000个粉丝他就 he then 录 record 录一个 one 视频 video. What kind of video? I will wear pink dress, wear watermelon skin hat. 我会 I will 穿 wear 粉红色的 pink 粉红色的裙子 dress ladies dress 裙子戴 wear 西瓜 watermelon 皮 skin 西瓜皮 watermelon skin. Can you imagine the skin of the watermelon, the green one, without any the fruits, the juicy fruits inside? 西瓜皮的帽子，帽子 hat hat。Please give me this chance. I'll be looking forward to it. 谢谢你，再见。